Namaskara everyone. Today I am sharing very special Nepali-style Aloo Sadeko. Tangy, spicy and bursting with the rich aroma of mustard oil. It's a simple recipe but the flavor is just heavenly. Boil the potatoes and peel. Now I am cutting them into medium-sized pieces. In a bowl, add these boiled potatoes, not too big or not too small sizes. Now goes chopped onions, green chilies, coriander leaves. Now I am adding salt and a black salt as per your taste. Now add red chili powder. In a small pan, I have added mustard oil. Once slightly warm, I am adding sesame seeds, turmeric, red chili powder. Just warm it gently. Don't let the spices burn. The goal is to release that rich aroma of mustard and sesame together. Now add a lemon juice. Gently mix it. And that's our aloo sadeko is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such recipes. See you until the next bite.